Remove the original car shell. Take off the smaller baffle first. Keep it, we need to use it later. Remove the cover along the arrow direction. Unplug the white plug here. Connect it with the Y cable shown as the picture here. Connect the Y cable with the dashcam power cable. Connect the front cam cable to the rear cam extension cable. Remove the lens protective film. Sort out and hide the cables. Install the front cam. Route the rear camera extension cable along the roof. Connect the extension cable end to the rear cam cable. Fixed rear camera. The installation is now complete.